Hey people, see who I have with me here. This is Shashank, the founder of Sliced. So this cute little place that is just opposite KBR. And so Shashank, can you tell us something about Sliced?
Well, Sliced is my baby, on which I've been working for the last 2 years now.
Okay.
And we recently launched on January 2nd, and it's been a great response. All thanks to you,
Yes.
guests who have been coming to us. It's been great. Overwhelming response, really touched. So we're still growing, just started out. There's a long way to go. I see Sliced to be one of the biggest pizza brands in Hyderabad, hopefully in South India as well.
Yes.
So yeah, that's Sliced to me.
Yes, and so the USP of the brand would be pizzas.
Right. So yeah, our main product is pizza. Like you see, it's a gourmet pizza area.
Correct.
So our main
Focus
USP is that whatever you see on the pizza, we make it from scratch in our own kitchen.
Okay.
The entire recipes are created by me.
Okay.
From the dough to the sauces that go on top of the pizza.
Okay.
It's our own recipe which we made it in the kitchen from scratch every day. So, and also the ingredients, we use fresh ingredients like spinach, we use roasted capsicum, we used grilled eggplant, even when it comes to non-veg as well, chicken, goat, prawns, we use fresh, farm fresh.
Any vegan options?
Oh well, so we're working on the recipes. We're slowly introducing vegan recipes as well, and also whole wheat base as well, because I'm a health conscious guy.
Yes.
Absolutely, I come from a doctor's family, so I understand how important being health conscious is. So we are definitely getting into vegan segment, also the whole wheat base.
Yes, and one last question: what made you choose pizza as a in a city like Hyderabad, which is biryani crazy?
Understood.
So
Well, I mean, there's no specific reason as such, because I was in Australia and I was professionally trained in pizza making. Then I was introduced to a couple of recipes which blew my mind.
Okay.
Because the pizzas which I had, I was born and brought up in Hyderabad, and all my life, all the pizzas I had in Hyderabad, and specifically like as an India whole, they're too basic.
Correct.
Well, it's just a couple of combinations of toppings. That's all. So, but the pizzas which I was introduced to back in Melbourne, I was blown away. Then one day I realized that, alright, this needs to be introduced to Hyderabad. But yeah, there was always a question if I could actually procure the raw material, because the raw materials which you get in India and Australia is completely different. That's when I quit all my jobs in Melbourne and I flew back to India. It took me almost good 9 to 10 months of research to finalize my menus, finalize the raw materials. Then after realizing that there is definitely a market for pizza.
Yes,
absolutely.
That is
because there is no exclusive place for pizza where you can just sit down, relax, and just have pizza. Right. So that's also the reason so we call our pizzas as healthier pizzas.
Okay.
Because we are just healthier pizzas than the other pizzas which you find in the market. Because whatever you see on the pizza, we make in the house. It's like a homemade food, homemade pizzas. And also with the ambience, we have created a very healthier ambience with greenery. So it's an open space. It's not a confined place, especially considering the COVID era.
Correct.
So you don't have to wear masks when you're talking to me.
Yes, absolutely. And my child has already told me that this is the one place he wants to visit.
Absolutely.
And they say, right, a review from a child is always honest.
Absolutely. So we are always in love with the pizzas, and we make it with love.
Really, so thank you so much for opening this, and we'll follow you on Instagram also.
Absolutely.
Because this is like...
We are on Instagram at Sliced HYD.
Yes, and wishing you all the best on this journey.
Thank you so much.